A lovely, refreshing salad you can have with any kind of grilled meat, sausage, whatever. It's a standard on any German grill party. Servus and welcome to Flo's German Kitchen. I'm Flo, this is my kitchen, and I show you how to cook the German way. In the comment section of my videos, people kept asking on a recipe about German cucumber salad. There is a lot of different ways. I'm gonna show you two today. One is with yogurt, one is with just vinegar and oil, but there is a lot more. For the cucumber salad, of course, we need a cucumber. Here we got it. Also, we need oil, vinegar, salt, pepper, yogurt, some herbs, and of course a good guzzle of German beer. Wunderbar. The one question that comes up when it's about cucumber salad is skin on, skin off. I personally don't like cucumber skin very much, so I'm gonna peel it, but at the same time it kind of keeps a bit of the structure. So what I'm gonna do is that I sort of peel it halfway. I'm just gonna make some nice stripes that looks nice, keeps some stability on the slices, and you got a little bit of the taste of the peel, but not too much. I think that's a good compromise and it looks nice. Now what you can always do is to just slice it with a mandolin, but I just like to cut my stuff by hand, and it also is a good way to keep your fingertips. And I mean, let's be honest, nothing is easier to show off than if you cut cucumber that way, because it's just so easy and quick. A good chance to show off with your knifing skills. Here we go. Yeah, good thing I have a big counter. Now let's put the cucumbers in a bowl. And the next thing we're gonna do, something that I also like to do with kraut, for example, and that's to add some salt, because the salt will make the cucumbers release their liquids. And cucumber consists of about, I don't know, 90 whatever something percent. It's just water, and if you leave them that way, it will always be a kind of a watery salad. That's why you just slightly squeeze the cucumber. You don't want to destroy the slices, you just want to help them release some of the juice. And to support that, I give the cucumbers a little rest. Next thing are the herbs. I was saying herbs, but in fact there is one thing you will always hear when it's about cucumber salad, and that is you need dill wheat. Probably it's true, but nobody in my family likes dill wheat, so what we have started is to replace the dill wheat with chives, and that's what I'm gonna do now. And it's great, believe me. And what I do is just chop it into small, tiny little pieces. Yeah, and that's already enough. This is from my garden, so you can see all different sizes, just naturally grown. Lovely thing. Let's see what the cucumbers are. Oh, look at this. I mean, it was, what is a minute, 1.5, I don't know, and they released a lot of water. We're gonna need that later, but not all of it. So we got the herbs.
Holy sauerkraut! Starting at 99 cents a month, you can become an official channel member. You'll unlock custom badges, early video access, and merch discounts. Hit that join button right now. That's a bargain, yeah?
Next thing is that we get rid of the water. But yeah, it's not just water. It contains cucumber flavor, so I'm not gonna throw that away. I'm gonna use it for one of the sauces. Now I'm gonna make 2 kinds of cucumber salad, so let's share a little. That's not really a lot. So we're making 2 kinds of salad. I'll put one of these away and we start with the yogurt sauce. Initially I measured 150 grams of Greek yogurt, but as we only have half the amount of cucumber, I also take half the amount of yogurt. Now it's gonna be a tough time for some of you, and those are the guys who always ask me for exact measures. I don't have exact measures here. I just add a little white wine vinegar, pepper, some salt, some of the cucumber juice. That was probably a bit too much. No, wasn't. Looks good. And now I just whisk it. And when the camera was off, we had a little break when I rearranged the table. And I was telling that I'm only going to use half of the yogurt because it's only half of the cucumbers. My daughter said, I don't care. I want the cucumbers to drown in sauce. Oh, let's see what's it gonna look like. Okay, I forgot some sweet. We're gonna need that as well. Just pinches of sugar. And here we go. So you think that's enough sauce? See. Yeah, this is great. Refreshing. Cucumbery. Time to add the herbs. And here we go. We give that some rest and start the oil and vinegar. Here we got the cucumber water. I add some salt, but yeah, the cucumbers are already pretty salty. Again, some vinegar and a little oil. Pinches of sugar. And whisk it. And once again, my daughter's frowning at the amount of sauce, but you don't need a lot because the cucumbers still do release more juice. So let's put that in, add the herbs. Mix it, and here we go. I'll just arrange that on a plate, well, actually on 2 plates, and then we're gonna make a direct comparison.
You are wunderbar. Life is good. Now is the time to get your own Wunderbar shirt from Flo's shop. You earn it.
So here it is, nice, refreshing, summery cucumber salad. I'm gonna start with the oil and vinegar one. Yeah, it is just a lovely, refreshing salad you can have with any kind of grilled meat, sausage, whatever. It's a standard on any German grill party. Here we have it with yogurt. I think I'm gonna like that even more. Yeah, it's just a bit creamier. Just as refreshing. And a pretty uncommon thing is the yogurt version is eaten a bit more in the north of Germany. Vinegar and oil is more eaten in the south. I'm definitely a guy of the south, but still I like the creamy yogurt salad a little bit more. So maybe you just try both of them and write down in the comments which one you like more. The most important thing is that you celebrate your home cooking, that you celebrate German cooking. Cheers on German cooking. Cheers on cucumber salad. Wunderbar.